Welcome, my dear students. Welcome all. Wait, beta. Please, my dear students, share links with your friends. Just I'm checking your comments. Everything is okay? Yeah, everything is okay. No buffering. Okay, done. So once again, beta, we are live. A very, very happy good evening to all of you. My dear loving students, welcome all, beta. Today I will discuss few important things about this subject, beta. Why? Because mass transfer operation is a very very important subject if you want to make a good score. If you want good score in GATE examination. Why, sir? Uh, Mostly from mass transfer operation, you can find most of the questions of 2 marks. Weightage is minimum criteria approx. You can say like 10 marks. That's why, but this subject is very very important. So few things I will discuss today. Like first, in the last days 11 days left for gate 2025 examination, what to do for this mass transfer operation, and I will also share few important topics and shortest method. And one beautiful thing is here, beta, you can also ask me your mass transfer operation doubts. You can tell me, sir, any topics, sir, how to tackle this topic numericals in less time. Okay, so we will wait for next 1 minute. After that we will proceed. Okay, so beta, please share links with your friends, everyone, my dear students. Then we will start today's lecture. And first, confirm, beta, audio and video is crystal clear. Very happy good evening, beta. Rishikesh, Rishi, Siddharth, Abhishek, you're all welcome, beta. You're all welcome. Welcome, welcome. स्वागत है बेटा सभी का. You're all welcome. Please share links with your friends, beta. Share link with your friends. It's my promise that now again you all will enjoy a lot in today's lecture, and also you will learn a lot. Okay, just in less time, very very less time. I will take very less time. Okay, the lecture will be for 1 or 2 hours, because in these last days I don't want to take more than 2 hours live. So just I will suggest everything in a concise way, but superb way. Okay, superb techniques are there. How to tackle diagrams, etc. Okay, we will wait for next 15 to 20 second more, beta. Then we will start. 15 to 20 second more, beta. Okay, beta. So now I am going to start. Okay. Very happy good evening, beta. Kartesh. Very happy good evening, beta. Ordinary life, Akshay, everyone, beta. Okay, beta. So now, as you know, beta, last 11 days left, and most of the students are just revising formulas. Formula for big subjects like mass transfer operation. Basically, I will discuss in today's lecture only about mass transfer. Not only I can say, I can also I will discuss. If you have any doubt, at last you can ask. But mostly I will talk about mass transfer operation. And if required, I will schedule one more lecture after today for some other subject if you feel any doubt, because in last 2 days I got lots of messages regarding this subject, that sir, please discuss something about mass transfer operation, that how to tackle problem of mass transfer operation in minimum time. Okay, so very very easy, very very easy, beta. One thing I am going to tell you that will be applied to all subjects. Basically, you can say for big numericals of all subjects. The main thing is, beta, read read numericals just one time. Oh, sir, what are you saying, sir? Sir, you told just one time? Yeah, beta. See, what to do for mass transfer operation in last 11 days, that is forget 2025 for good command on mass transfer operation. How to solve MTU numericals in minimum time. I will share few details like this, then I will share few important numericals in fastest technique. Okay, then after this slide you can also ask your doubt. Okay, so just after 5 minutes, I will take 4 to 5 minutes. After that you can also ask doubts of mass transfer operation. Okay, you can suggest me any topic then which you feel difficulty in this subject, and my promise beta, any topic I am able to give you command in just max of approximately 5 minutes, any subject in these days. So I will give you shortest technique, just focus on and just repeat same technique in examination for same type of problem. Okay, so very happy good evening beta, SS ordinary life, everyone beta, स्वागत है आप सभी का, you're all welcome. So beta, as I told you in my previous slide that just read one time. Why I am saying beta that read just one time? Why, sir? Beta, because in gate examination you are going to solve 65 questions. 65 questions, see beta, 65 questions. So read one time means what? Just read one time and extract data of that question in just one time, in just one attempt. Read one time, then in that one time extract data, then extract data in such a way that rarely you need to see that numerical again. Just before submitting answer beta, this suggestion is for all subjects, all numericals beta. Before submitting your answer, don't forget to check unit, that or fraction, percentage, etc. Like you got answer 24, okay, then check 24, your unit is meter per second, now check there, meter per second, okay, done. Meter per second, oh, centimeter per second, convert. So in this manner beta, you can save you at least 8 to 10 mark. I got lots of response after examination and after result, and on an average I can say that approximately 8 mark question every student are going to do silly mistakes, these type of silly mistakes, and 8 marks can do huge difference in your result. That's why I'm saying you beta. So if you are reading just one time, then 65 questions are there. If you are reading every question just twice, suppose just twice, in one question, suppose you are taking very few questions, maybe you are going to read in just 1 minute, you are going to take 1 minute just for reading, just for extracting data, 45 seconds, 50 seconds. But suppose I am saying just minimum time like 25 to 30 seconds. Suppose I am saying 20 seconds. Chalo, I am saying 20 seconds. Actually, this is impossible for lots of numericals. Lots of numerical, 20-second time is approximately impossible. For 1 mark question, it is possible, but for 2 mark, rarely. It is rare case. Okay, like is if you are seeing previous year questions, mass mean dia, no need to worry. Mass mean dia, xi dpi, summation of, immediately, no need to see again, immediately from data solved. But rarely 20 second, and if you are saying take giving just 20 second every question for reading twice, see how much time you are going to consume. 65 into 20, that will be 1300 second, and 1300 second is approximately 22 मिनट बेटा, आपने 22 मिनट खत्म कर दिए. You waste your 22 minutes. That's why few students told, sir, I completed my paper in less than 3 hours. Few students after examination, sir, paper was little bit lengthy. Even I were unable to see all 65 questions. Because with a 3 hour, you got only 3 hours, na, so time is very sensitive during examination. And why I'm telling these things 11 days ago examination? Because this time you are attempting your test series. In test series, just do these things in last this approximately 10 days. So definitely you are going to do same thing during examination. Habitual. You can do a, just make your habit. ओके, सो बेटा इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? क्या ये क्लियर है आप सभी को? तो हम लोग फटाफट न्यूमेरिकल्स के साइड भी भागें. सो दिस इज नॉट फॉर ओनली मास ट्रांसफर ऑपरेशन न्यूमेरिकल्स, दिस इज फॉर एनी न्यूमेरिकल बेटा. Just try to extract data in one time, and before submitting your answer beta, before final submission of answer, save and next, before moving forward towards next numerical, before final submission, before final submission, my dear students, don't forget to check units, don't forget to check units. And also my dear student, don't forget to check percentage or fraction. They are asking in percentage or fraction, increasing order. They are asking anything is increasing order or decreasing order, increasing order or decreasing order. They are asking about diameter or radius, yaar, diameter or radius. So these are silly mistakes beta, these are silly mistakes. For unit, every time just make a habit before solving. You know how I am solving any question every time. Mostly in few cases I am not going to change unit, but mostly if I am changing, I convert unit to SI unit. And after solving in SI unit, because in SI I know after cutting what I will, which thing in which unit, like I know the value of R directly. But if ATM liter or ATM meter cube, then it will be little bit differ, and I will take a 5 second or 6 second just to write it that what should be the unit. But I know AR is equal to 8.314 in kilopascal meter cube per kilomole per Kelvin. So for this case, every time I'm taking kilopascal kilomole, and at last, after completing after solving numerical, just I'm checking in which unit they are asking. And before submission, if they are not asking SI unit like centimeter, convert it. And also don't forget to see that only fill in the blanks is there, or filling the blanks multiplied with something like this. So you are going to, suppose you are getting answer 0.002312, and you are writing this, but they are asking like 10 to the power minus 3. So your answer should be 2.312 now. And every time when you are solving numerical beta, try to take, I suggest 4 digit. Actually, you may be in the range just by using 3 digit too, but for safe side, please use at least 4 digit. 4 digit, okay, after decimal. 4 digit after decimal, okay. Okay, so these are basic things that I told you. So these things are crystal clear. Shall we move forward and taking your doubts? Now I'm going to start your doubts, and few numericals I will solve here, important numericals in super manner. So till now, beta, is everything is clear? Just tell me, beta, everything is crystal clear till now? ईशान झा बेटा, एक्सट्रैक्शन, ओके बेटा, एक्सट्रैक्शन कर देते हैं ईशान, एक्सट्रैक्शन से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. एक लगाए थे, एक और न्यूमेरिकल लगा देते, नो नीड टू वरी बेटा. एंड आल्सो बेटा, इफ यू फील डिफिकल्टी in language, like you want, sir, please explain this thing also in English language, that is a mixture of Hindi and English, no need to worry. Ask me doubt in English language, I will explain in English, like हिंदी और इंग्लिश का मिक्सचर में आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. ठीक है, अगर आपको उतना फीलिंग नहीं आता जल्दी जल्दी में, तो नो नीड टू वरी. ओके, इफ यू आर आस्किंग डाउट्स के लिए आपका लैंग्वेज आई विल use, no need to worry, okay. And my English is also very, I used English with very less vocab, बहुत छोटा सा vocab use करते हैं. Every time you can feel coming again, so that students don't feel difficulty, okay. ट्रायंगल ग्राफ क्वेश्चंस बता दो, ठीक है बेटा, ओके कार्तिश. चलो भाई, ट्रायंगल का एक क्वेश्चन जो लगाए थे वही लगे लेते हैं. ये लो भैया, दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बेटा. कार्तिश सर, फ्लडिंग वेलोसिटी एंड कॉलम डायमीटर रिलेशनशिप, सभी का बताएंगे बेटा, सभी का बताएंगे, डोंट वरी. नागेंद्र श्रीधर जी, बस बने रहिएगा. आफ्टर दिस आई विल टेक योर डाउट, ओके. कार्तिश के लिए आई विल सॉल्व 2 न्यूमेरिकल्स, एंड देन आई विल सॉल्व योर नागेंद्र श्रीधर, डोंट वरी बेटा. Okay, so I will start with Kartis. Better see Kartis, for your numerical, see this GATE 2015 2-mark question. I will solve this question in just a few seconds. Okay, very small time I will take. See here beta. Very happy good evening beta. Shumant बेटा, प्लीज शेयर लिंक्स विद योर फ्रेंड्स. बेटा सभी लोग प्लीज शेयर कर दो यार. सेशन को लाइक भी कर दिया करो, थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. लगता है कि हाँ, मेरे बच्चे सब समझ पा रहे हैं, मेरी मेहनत रंग ला रही है. हाँ, चलिए इसे देखते हैं फटाफट. देखिए कितना इजीएस्ट वे में आपको बता रहे हैं, हाउ इजी यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग हियर एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस डिफरेंस पॉइंट. इसके बारे में इतना जरूरी नहीं है जानना, बस जान लो कि दिस इज अ डिफरेंस पॉइंट. No need to know about that difference point for solving this numerical. See, a multi-stage counter-current liquid-liquid extractor is used to separate solute C from a binary mixture F. Okay, see, that means binary mixture F. That means this point is of your feed point. Na, ये क्या है बेटा? This is your feed point. This is your feed point. This point is what? This is your feed point. Okay, fantastic, mind blowing, super. By using solvent B. Where is B? Yeah, this is B. So this is the point of B. This is pure solvent. This is pure solvent B. You are using pure solvent because it is available on Apex. Apex shows 100%. Okay. So this is pure solvent. This is pure solvent. Is recovered from the raffinate by distillation. Okay. Pure solvent B is recovered from the raffinate by distillation. That means after थोड़ा क्वेश्चन कट गया क्या रे भाई? Okay, no, नहीं कटा, नहीं कटा. Complete. Pure solvent B after extraction. See, you are sending this raffinate to distillation in order to again separate B. Okay, fantastic, mind blowing, super. Now, as shown diagram below, locations of different mixtures for this process are indicated on triangular diagram below. P is solvent free raffinate. P, this is this beta. This is solvent free. Okay, no problem. This is solvent free raffinate. This is solvent free. Solvent free means what beta? Solvent free means what? No B. No B is there. No B is there. And you know, no, only in this line no B is there. So you can see P is here. Clearly mentioned, na, P is here. So you can see it is on AC line. So on AC line, this B is 0. Okay, no problem. Same thing indicated on the diagram. No need to worry. Delta is difference point from which the mass balance lines originate. The line PB intersect the binodal curve on U and T. Yeah, this is not bimodal. This is binodal. Binodal curve is the curve, this curve. This is binodal curve. Under this curve, heterogeneous mixture you will get. Out of this, homogeneous beta. Out of this, homogeneous. So if you are doing extraction and you want raffinate extract as two phases, so definitely your operation should lie within this binodal curve. आपका operation is binodal curve में पड़ना चाहिए. Okay. The lines P, delta and FB intersects the binodal at V and W respectively. Okay. You can see V and U. Where is W? Yeah, this is W. V and W respectively. The raffinate coming out of the extractor is represented on the diagram by the point. Raffinate coming out the extractor. That means this R. They are asking about this R. Where is this? ये कहाँ है? समझ रहे हो बेटा? ये R कहाँ है? ये क्या पूछ रहे? समझ पा रहे हो ना? आपके कमेंट्स देख ले भाई कुछ. ओके, वेरी हैप्पी गुड बेटा, सभी को स्वागत है. सो वेयर इज दिस आर. अब देखो कैसे दिखाते हैं, ऑपरेशन कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं. सी, एफ इज हियर. यू आर फेडिंग एफ. यू आर फेडिंग एफ along with B. देखो कैसे रीड करते हैं. हाउ टू रीड दिस डायग्राम बेटा. along with B you are feeding F along with phi. Okay, now see beta how to read this diagram. How to read this diagram? Very easy, very easy. Okay, so this is my beautiful B. This is beautiful F. Okay, so this is my first line. I joined these two lines. Then what will happen? We are mixing F and B in mixer. Actually this extractor having two parts, mixer and settler. Okay, after mixing, now if we are leaving it for some time, you can find two phases. Actually two phases means two liquid phases. Why I'm saying liquid but two phases? Because these two phases are immiscible in each other. So two phases, and that two phases definitely should be on binodal curve. So one phase is here like this, E extract phase. ऐसा होता है ना बेटा. See, if this is your diagram, my dear student, this is your binodal curve. You are suppose writing like this. Then this is your suppose mixing point. Then after some time, yeah, this is your extract. This is your raffinate. These are basics. I hope that you all know. If don't know, then यहाँ से remember कर ले फटाफट, केवल इतना चल जाएगा. Because you can't do more than this in last 11 days, because you are not going to revise just mass transfer. You have more subjects. So जैसा दे रहे हैं इसको ध्यान से अगर देखोगे तो डायग्राम के क्वेश्चन यू विल बी वेरी feel comfortable to solve this diagram type of question in less time. Now, see beta, you are getting one E. Yeah, this is E. Definitely R should be V or U, because diagram should be like this now. Diagram should be like this, like this, like this. And if this is, my dear students, E, then definitely this point should be R. So R should be V or U. That means W is not correct. W is not correct. And T is also not correct. Now confusion between U and V. U and V. Okay. Now just tell me beta, this R, if you are feeding in distillation column, then you are getting P and B now. You are getting what? P and B. You are getting what? P and B. Okay. You are getting P and B. That means if this is your feed, this is your feed, and this is your solvent, and they are mixing towards each other on this point, and after separating, you are getting R and E, and now you are mixing nothing with R, na? You are mixing nothing with R. Just you are sending this R in our distillation column. That means R, P, and B. These all should be one single line. So where is that single line? So just I am going to join. I am going to join this P with this P with B. So if we are mixing these two, again one mixing point will be there, just like this. You are adding this F in this B, and this is your mixing point, my dear students. So this mixing point should lie on this line now. So similarly, if again you are, suppose you are mixing P and B. So after mixing, you are getting this R na. So this R should lie on P and B line na. So is it V? No, this is U. That is U is the right answer. Is it crystal clear बेटा? बोलो सभी को क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? Everyone please tell me बेटा, is it crystal clear? क्या ये आप सभी बच्चा लोगों को क्लियर है? Shall we move forward? फटाफट कुछ और बातें बताएं आपको डायग्राम का, एक और क्वेश्चन देख लो. Is it crystal clear, my dear students? Everyone beta, please tell me. I am seeing your comments. I am seeing your comments beta. Everyone please tell me. Everything is crystal clear. Any doubt? Please write CC in comment section beta. Ishan Jha, Sri, Venkatesh, fantastic, mind blowing, super. क्या बात, क्या बात. Fantastic beta. Now I want to discuss two topics before moving towards next numerical. Okay. अबाउट ट्रायंगुलर डायग्राम. आपने ट्रायंगुलर डायग्राम के बारे में पूछा ना. सो ट्रायंगुलर डायग्राम के बारे में आई वांट टू डिस्कस फ्यू मोर पॉइंट्स अबाउट दिस ट्रायंगुलर डायग्राम. Then I will solve one more numerical, then move forward towards next out. Okay. So my dear students, in extraction chapter, this is one topic. This is one topic. Suppose one more type of diagram they are asking, like this. Simple. Like they're asking cross currents. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Every diagram beta you can read like same, in similar manner. Suppose this is the diagram. Okay, and this is every time you are using, suppose pure solvent, and here also you are using pure solvent. Okay, and suppose this is your raffinate side, and this is your extract phase. Extract 1, extract 2, extract 3 from respective 1, 2, and 3. Similarly, suppose that raffinate, again you are going to uh, make contact with some pure solvent B. So every time this E side is pure, suppose. If not pure, if pure, then it will occur on apex. In previous, if B is not pure beta, what will happen? It will not start from here. It will start from something like here. Okay. If pure, it will be on apex. Similarly, my dear students, here, if you want to make diagram, suppose in the examination they are asking, tell me which is R1, which is R2, which is R3, how to write it? कैसे लिखोगे यार इसे? कैसे इस डायग्राम पे बनाओगे? How to draw? Very easy beta. Suppose this time again it is pure, then write here beta. If not pure, then it will be here. It will be here. You are making contact with your feed. Suppose feed is here. Feed is here. That means feed contains A and C. Okay. C is solute. C is solute. So this will be your line. After mixing, with the help of simple material balance, you will be able to know this mixing point. So suppose this is your mixing point. This is your mixing point. This is your mixing point M. This is your mixing point M. What will happen after some time? Again, you will get from two phases. This should be your, it will show you E1, it will show you R1. Now tell me beta, in R1 or in E1, in which you are going to add this B? Definitely now in R1 you are again sending B and it will make contact with R1. If it is again pure, then it will come again from this apex. If not pure, then second line should be from here. Suppose again pure, then what will happen in next stage? In next stage, my dear students, what will happen? Now this R1 is going to combine. देखो आपको पढ़ना सिखा रहे बेटा, just how to read it. In just you can say story form. You are leaving this topic like a story. Huh? So R1 with B, again there should be some mixing point. Again after some time, from this mixing point to 2 points will be there. On right side it will be E2 and this should be R2. Again suppose here in this diagram you can see 3 points now. 3 1 2 3 three stages are there now. Again suppose pure, then again here. Again suppose this is mixing point, so this should be your E3, this should be your R3. That's it beta. So maybe they are giving this diagram and they are asking in this diagram which point shows R2. They will write A, B, C, D. Very easy ना. बोलो बेटा सभी को clear है? Very easy ना. Very easy. Now few more things I want to discuss beta. You everyone know na how to read this triangular diagram. How to read this triangular diagram? Suppose here you're writing A, here you're writing B, you're writing C. That means here B is 100% and here A is 100% and here C is 100%. Okay. Suppose one point is here. Suppose I'm few lines I am writing like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So these all lines, if any point is there, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So 0 to 100%, if you are dividing in 4 equal parts, it will be 25% per part. And if 25% per part, that means this should be 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. If on here A is present, 100% A. If on this line anywhere, like here, anywhere, on this line A is present, that means 75% A will be there. On this line anywhere, it's 50% A. Here 25% A. Here on this line, no A. कोई A नहीं जाएगा. Maybe in examination they are dividing into 5 equal parts, then 20%, 10 equal parts, then 10%. So just divide 100 by number of parts. You will get each part percentage. Similarly from this B side, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, parallel to this AC line. So here B is 75, here B is 50, here B is 25, here B is 0. Like some point suppose lie here. Then how much A? A is 50%. B is 100, 75, 50, 25%. What about C, sir? No problem. Again parallel to AB. This. So for C, here 100%. On this line, it is 75%. Here 50%. Here 25%. So suppose I am asking about this point. So it will be 100, 75, 50. 50% A. Coordinates 50% A. 100, 75, 50, 25. 25% B. 100, 75, 50, 25. 25% C. Is it crystal clear बेटा? ये क्लियर है तो बोलो. कुछ और बातें, दो बातें और आपको एक्सट्रैक्शन के बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट बताएंगे. 2 more topics about extraction. Then we will move forward towards next few more numericals. And again your doubts. Okay. Clear? Shall we move forward? फटाफट. Fast लिखा करो बेटा. CC. Please write CC in comment section. If crystal clear, please write बेटा crystal clear, sir. Crystal clear, sir. CC. CC means crystal clear, sir. Ishanja. बेटा please everyone, sir. Yes, sir. Fantastic. Super. क्या बात है. Where is my student? Hero Honda Splendor, Gaurav sir Thunder. Yeah, I hope this is Rishi in my previous lecture. Super, I like it too much. Okay. Now, beta, see, 2 more points. One thing is important about the selectivity here. selectivity, on this extraction, selectivity. And one is distribution coefficient. Distribution coefficient. Distribution coefficient. What is selectivity, my dear students? It is beta. No need to see its symbol actually. Okay, symbol is not important. Okay, so what is selectivity and what is distribution coefficient? A bit of distribution coefficient or selectivity. Selectivity means that the A, B, C. The main thing is C and A na. Uh, C is solute. Suppose A, B, C. A, B, C. So A is in general way, this is carrier liquid. This is carrier liquid beta. And what is C, my dear students? This is your solute that you want to recover with the help of solvent. So definitely this B is my beautiful solvent here. My B is solvent. B is solvent. Wow, क्या बात है sir. मजा आ गया. Fantastic. Okay, thank you beta. Now see selectivity. Whenever you are defining selectivity or distribution coefficient, you are going to do nothing for this B. This B is not present in the definition or calculation of selectivity or distribution coefficient. Selectivity means in fraction form, what is the C by A value in extract phase? If I am representing extract phase, suppose with Y, and raffinate phase, suppose I am writing like X. Why, sir? Why like gas going up now? So this is not gas, but your extract phase is you are getting from as a top layer. So what is selectivity? Selectivity is nothing but bus Y and A. So this is YC by YA and upon EX C by X. Oh my God, sir. क्या बात है sir? XC by YC by YA, XC by XA. YC by YA means this is actually from where you are writing the mole fraction of C and A. Where, sir, where? This is an extract phase. This is in extract phase. And where you are getting these beta, these are in raffinate phase. These are in raffinate phase. Very, very easy now. Very, very easy. Now, how to got it? Suppose this is your raffinate phase, this is your extract phase. So from this, you will be able to know the coordinates. What is the value of A, XA, YA? Very, very easy now. Carrier beta solute of extract to raffinate. क्या बात बेटा यहाँ देखो बहुत easy है. Now distribution means what बेटा? Distribute. How your solute, who is distributing बेटा? कौन distribute हो रहा है यहाँ mainly? Definitely solute is going to distribute between two phases, extract and raffinate. So if just you are writing YC by XC, that means the solute mole fraction in extract phase to solute mole fraction in raffinate phase, my dear students, this is your distribution coefficient. These are actually very, very easy concepts, but lots of students leaving it. Okay, that's why I'm टेकिंग दिस योर डाउट. आपने कहा एक्सट्रैक्शन के बारे में, तो थोड़ा सा इसको डिटेल में हम आगे बढ़ गए. ओके, हमको मैसेज भी मिला था, इसलिए हमने पहले से इसके ऑलरेडी फ्यू क्वेश्चंस अटैच्ड इन माय स्लाइड. सो टिल नाउ क्रिस्टल क्लियर. शैल वी मूव फॉरवर्ड? एक क्वेश्चन इसका लगा लें फटाफट. ओके, सो आई टुक पीवाईक्यू. एक्चुअली हमने पीवाईक्यू क्यों लिया आपके लिए इसमें, ताकि आपको फील हो कि हाँ सर बताया. द सेम थिंग आल्सो आस्क्ड इन पीवाईक्यूज. ओके, क्रिस्टल क्लियर. क्या बात है ईशान बेटा? So see beta, solute C extracted in a batch process from its homogeneous solution of A and C using solvent B. Same general notations are present. Okay. The combined composition of the feed and the extracting solvent is shown in the figure below as point M. Okay, that is mixing point now. Okay. Along with the line passing it, the ends of the tie line or on equilibrium curve. Oh my God, equilibrium curve. Very good, very good. That means this is on binodal curve. It is present on binodal curve. Fantastic. One more thing beta I want to discuss you. Here see, actually for this numerical no need of this concept. Just to see here, suppose R and E is present and this is your mixing point, and one rule is present beta, that is mixing rule. Mixing rule, mixing rule, lever arm rule. ये क्या कहता है बेटा? If you are writing the amount of R by amount of E, amount of R by amount of E, then just distance will be given in your examination. EM line distance upon MR line distance. This is one technique, like this distance by this distance. It will give you the molar ratio of R to E, definite to extract. And one more thing, beta, R by E can also be written as R by E. So XE minus XM, beta XM minus XR. XE minus XM upon XM minus XR. And the values of XR, etc., you will be able to calculate with the help of simple material balance. So this is extra note. This is extra note, not required for this numerical actually. So I discussed the most important part of extraction with you guys, beta. And after these topics, if they are asking any question from extraction, beta, then you can solve with the help of simple absorption technique. Absorption वाला बस extraction लिखा है. They are writing extraction. Just forget that they are writing extraction. Think like absorption. No problem. You will be able to solve. Okay. Now, what is the selectivity of C? So for selectivity, that means they are asking about a beta. Selectivity. They are asking about selectivity. Selectivity. So they are asking actually about beta beta. So अगर वो बीटा के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, so very easy ना. It is yc by ya upon xc by xa. So what is the value of yc, ya, xc, xc? Formula is correct ना बेटा? फॉर्मूला सही है ना? देख लो, आराम से देख लो भाई. Formula is correct. Okay. So this is the point. Definitely this is my E point. So in E, how much XA for E extract phase? It is Y ना. Extract के लिए Y से हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो चलो इसे Y लिख लो. How much Y is present here? So this is, you will get YA here, you will get YB here, you will get YC here. But in examination, why you are worried about YB यार? In this calculation no need of ना, so हम नहीं निकालेंगे, सीधे YA देख लेते हैं. So how much? It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Fantastic. 10 means 100 by 10. Every triangle represents 10%. Okay. So let me check. A, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. One more technique is there, beta. On this line, A is 0 na. A is 0. So here in this line, A will increase to 10%. यहाँ जल्दी हो गया ना. So it is 0.1. Now how much C? So C is nearby this line na. This E is nearby AB line. So here C is 0, 10, 20, 30. That means 0.3. Similarly, beta, you will be able to find this refinite coordinates. So in this refinite, again, just you need XA and XC. Why you are worrying about B? Because in this calculation, you don't need to use the na. B को यहाँ use ही नहीं करना ना. So how much A? A is 100, 90, 80, 70. देख लेना यार, अगर मिस्टेक हो तो बता देना काउंटिंग में. If I am doing any mistake during counting, 100, 90, 80, 70. Okay, 70. Now, what about this XC? So here XC is 0, 0, 10, 20. 20 means 0.2. Now everything is okay. Just put here YC is 0.3 and YA is 0.1 upon XC is 0. क्या लिखा रे? 2 लिखा ना भाई? 0, 10, 20, 2, 0.2 and XA is 0.7. So you will get 3 by 1 into 7 by 2. That means, so 21 by 2, it will be 10.5. Yeah, C is the right answer. बोलो बेटा, is it crystal clear to all of you? क्या है, आप सभी को क्लियर है? Shall we move forward, my dear students? क्या हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं बेटा? Tell me everyone बेटा. Crystal clear. Shall we move forward बेटा? Yeah, fantastic बेटा. It's option C. क्या बात, क्या बात. Option C. Now beta, please tell me, is it crystal? Shall we move forward? क्या नेक्स्ट डाउट टॉपिक्स की तरफ चले, थोड़ा और डिस्कस कर लिया जाए. चलो, फैंटास्टिक, माइंड ब्लोइंग, सुपर बेटा. सो नेक्स्ट डाउट एक बच्चे ने क्या बोला था? लेट मी चेक योर नेक्स्ट डाउट. सर, फ्लडिंग वेलोसिटी एंड कॉलम डायमीटर रिलेशनशिप. ओके बेटा. ओके नागिंदर जी. नागिंदर, आर यू देयर? अवेलेबल है ना बेटा? आर यू देयर नागिंदर? प्लीज राइट यस सर. नागिंदर, आर यू देयर बेटा? नागिंदर. ओके, सी. नागिंदर बेटा. नागिंदर. So his doubt is mm, कहाँ गया रे भाई? Flooding velocity and column diameter relationship. Flooding velocity and column diameter relationship. Okay beta. Very very easy. Very very easy beta. This relationship is very 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 easy. Okay. Actually you are using for distillation chapter. Flooding velocity you can write like some constant multiplied with rho L minus rho V by rho V. In your examination, maybe they are giving you the value and they will also give you operating velocity. Operating velocity. V operate. V operating. And it is nearby 50 to 70% of flooding velocity. In general way, maybe it will be less than 50 or more than 70 in few cases. It is a general value. So 50 to 70% of VF. Okay. So in your examination, maybe they are going to provide you VF value and they will tell you the operating velocity is 60% of VF. So you are not going to use that flooding velocity. You are going to use operating velocity in order to calculate the actual column diameter. This is your column. ये तो है ना आपका column. This is your column. This is your column. And in this column beta, this is the space that goes to downcomer. ये किसको अभी इस पे देखो, दे आर ऑलरेडी इन 2024 आई थिंक वन ब्यूटीफुल न्यूमेरिकल ऑन डाउनकमर. हाँ, इसके ऊपर पूछा हुआ था क्वेश्चन डाउनकमर के ऊपर. आई होप यू रिमेंबर्ड अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. वेट बेटा, आई वांट टू रिफ्रेश माय कमेंट. वेट, चैट सेक्शन एक बार देख लें. एवरीथिंग इज ओके ना? या सर, कैन यू कॉल सम क्वेश्चंस ऑन एनटीयू एसटीयू? मनोहर मनोज जी कर देंगे सॉल्व. यार ऐसी क्या बात है, जस्ट इसके बाद आपका ले लेते हैं. हाँ, ओके मनोहर जी, चुटकी बजाएंगे, सॉल्व हो जाएगा, चिंता ना करें. जस्ट ओके, आई विल सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन एनटीयू एसटीयू एंड सुपर मैनर वेरी वेरी इजीली. ओके, सी हियर. एनटीयू एसटीयू लोग घंटे घंटे दिनों दिन में नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाते. आई विल कंप्लीट फॉर यू गाइज इन जस्ट फ्यू मिनट, डोंट वरी. ओके, नाउ सी. एडीएडी होगा तो बता दीजिए. हाँ बेटा होगा, आई करा देंगे. नागेंद्र सिद्धार. नागेंद्र सिद्धार जी आगे, ये आपका ले रहे बेटा. नागेंद्र, आपका डाउट लिया हमने. इसके बाद से एक मनोहर मनु जी का डाउट है. आई विल टेक मनोहर मनु डाउट फॉर एनटीयू एसटीयू. आई विल सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल. एक्चुअली आई विल सॉल्व कन्वेंशनल न्यूमेरिकल. एसटीयू एनटीयू पे कन्वेंशनल न्यूमेरिकल बना देंगे. ओके, दैट दिस डेटा विल बी गिवन एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व इट. ओके, सो डोंट वरी, फोकस हियर बेटा. ADAD is downcomer. That means this is actually available area. This is actually available area for vapor flow. Why is a two side? But if this is your plate, so the liquid move like this, no? Like this, like this. So the vapor will go only by these holes, ना यार. Vapor केवल इस hole से ही तो ऊपर जाएगा. So for vapor flow, definitely AD, two times AD is not available. So if you want to make a relationship, if you want to write AA, then this AA is what? Definitely this is pi by 4 column diameter का square. This is AA. But the vapor is going only from AA na. That is actual area available for flow. AA. This is AD. No, no, sorry. This is not A. This is total A. This is AT actually. You are taking column diameter. This is AT. This is total AT. This is AT. What is AT, sir? This is AT. Complete AT. And dia of this column I am writing like dt beta. Dt. Okay. So the area available AA is AT minus 2 times of AD. This question asked in GATE 2024. बहुत सारे बच्चों को अभी भी क्लियर नहीं था, because I got lots of responses on WhatsApp. Now, area of downcomer they will provide you. They will provide you area of downcomer. And AAAT 2AD. Now you have to calculate this AA. For this one, AD will be given. AD will be given to you, beta. In the place of AT, you have to put pi by 4 dt square. You have to put pi by 4 dt square. And for area availability checking, they will provide you datas. Like they will give you simple the volumetric flow rate. The volumetric flow rate of gas. The volumetric flow rate of gas. Like in meter cube per second. In meter cube per second. So what is volumetric flow rate, beta? This is nothing but velocity multiplied with area na. So when you're writing QZ, then this is what? This is U operating multiplied with area available. In this manner, beta, you will be able to find this area available. That will be QZ by U naught. Any data, this type of data they will provide you. Okay. So adopt stoichiometric chart में था relation between humidity volume and no problem ordinary life जी. I will डिस्कस कर देंगे. अभी के ही डाउट जल्दी जितना डाउट भेजने भेज दो, ठीक है, ताकि हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग टाइम को मैनेज कर लें. 1 घंटे तो होने वाले हैं ऑलरेडी. 1 hour इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीट. बट डोंट वरी, आई कैन सॉल्व योर डाउट्स इन जस्ट अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स. नॉट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड एक्चुअली, क्योंकि आपको भी तो समझना है. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ मिनट कह सकते हो, इन फ्यू मिनट कह सकते हो. सो ए is this. Now just put here beta, you will get the value of AA, you will get the value of this, and put pi by 4 dt square. One equation, one unknown, solve it. You can find lots of PYQs regarding this topic, relating this topic. Solve all PYQs, no need to worry, since 1983. Okay, all the best. So crystal clear beta. Nagendra Siddhar ji, shall we move forward? Nagendra bolo beta, clear ho gaya? Please tell me everyone. Be confident. Be energetic. Razan Rohani, I have sent on a link and WhatsApp earlier. Beta, I didn't receive. If my team is seeing this, then if they are sending this, then I will solve it. Don't worry. So अगर भाई टीम का कोई मेंबर सुन रहा है, and if they are live, then please, my dear team members, send this on my WhatsApp. Okay? Yes, sir. Crystal clear. Fantastic, beta. Now, next doubt क्या है रे भाई? Next doubt, flooding velocity column doubt clear. Yes sir, fantastic, superb. Sir, can you solve problem on NTU STU? Okay, NTU STU का प्रॉब्लम लगाओगे, ठीक है. तो चलो भैया, ये वाला क्वेश्चन अभी कोई पूछता है तो इसके लिए हमने लगा लिया. एक बच्चे का डाउट था इस क्वेश्चन में, अभी इसको सॉल्व कर देंगे. अगर बच्चा आएगा लाइव तो फटाफट live, during live class I will solve. Okay, so next you want to learn about HTU NTU concept. Okay beta, चलो लिख देते हैं HTU NTU के बारे में जानना चाहते हो, ठीक है। तो STU NTU के बारे में जान रहे हो तो एन और HTP के बारे में कि छोड़े वो भी लिख ही देते हैं, एन HTP। संपूर्ण ज्ञान ले लो यार, complete knowledge, and the beautiful thing is in very less time, in very less time, in superb manner. Okay, so beta STU NTU, see beta, I am telling few things about this topic, how to solve it. Just a conventional numerical I am taking. After this you will be able to solve all PYQs regarding this topic. Okay, so just solve, practice. Any doubt, send me. But for STU NTU, you know about this STU. Whenever you are solving this, every time you are writing GS by A, either GS by A or you have to write LS by A. This is a simple formula that you are going to use, beta. And here GS, then you can write what? Small ky into A. A is interfacial area per unit volume. Similarly here Qx into A. Yeah, or you can also write this like GS by A upon KOY. KOY means what? This is overall mass transfer coefficient based upon gas phase. Maybe in your examination they are not giving this, they are providing overall mass transfer coefficient based upon this liquid side mass transfer coefficient. So these all are what? This it is cross sectional area beta. Okay, so these all are the definition, simple definition of HTU. HTU is this or this or this or this. These all are HTU. These all are HTU. These all are STU. What is this? This is why you want to change this beautiful color to yellow. So this is HTU small, based upon small. So HTU gas. This is HTU liquid. This is HTU based upon overall liquid transfer, liquid mass transfer coefficient. This is HTU OG. So this is about STU. One more thing may be there, when they are providing you this KY data beta, then be alert. Sometimes they are providing in KY mass fraction, like the unit of KY they are right, and in denominator they will write delta Y, per unit delta Y. Then in that case you have to also use 1 by Y star mean. So उसके बारे में कम समय में नहीं बता पाएंगे. So just I am focusing the important part. अगर आपने पढ़ा है, if you already read, then be aware with that point. If no, then leave that point. Just focus on the main technique. Okay, because mostly more than 90% chance that they are asking just main technique only. Now what is NTU beta? What is NTU? Lots of formulas are there. By using every formula you will get same to same answer. I already proved in my offline classes. Okay, so just use, because in less time if you want to complete this topic, just remember one formula, that is y1 minus y2 upon y minus y star log mean. Y star log mean. What is this, sir? This is, my dear student, NTU. This is NTU. Okay, this is NTU O L, OG. Mostly they are asking about this, so don't worry if they are asking like HTU OL they are giving, and they are asking as NTU OL. No need to worry, just replace x with y with x, and instead of y1 minus y2 you have to write x2 minus x1, no problem. And on denominator it will be x star minus x. So beta, how to write this? Because in very less time, just I am focusing the most important part of this S2 NTU. Okay, because I can't give only 2 hours to one topic. I have to complete lots of topic in just a few minutes, or इस तरीके से that you will be able to gather it, capture it. But the top side and bottom side. Top side I am mentioning as my side 2. Bottom side I am mentioning as side 1. In absorption, definitely Here your liquid solvent is coming, and the inlet fraction, wait, inlet fraction suppose of liquid is given as ex2, solute present, and here x1. I am solving this on solute free basis, capital X, you know na, capital X capital Y, like 20% solute is present. If this is mole fraction, then its mole ratio will be 20 by mole fraction 20 by 100, and out of this 20, 80 is the second component, other component, so 20 by 80 is mole ratio. So whenever I am solving, I am using mole ratio. आप दूसरे में भी solve कर सकते हो, but in less time, just focus on this one method. Okay, because this is most important, 90% chance this method and 10% relating this method. तो अभी कम समय में सारे method नहीं, main method focus करो आप यहाँ, important वाला. And if you remember all methods, just focus, give few minutes from books, you will be able to solve it. Just focus on PYQs relating this topic. Okay, now gas will enter from here with suppose y1 and exit from here this y2. Definitely, if this is the case of absorption, maybe case of stripping, no problem, you have to solve in similar manner, beta, similar manner, yeah, similar manner. Okay, in stripping, the solvent is gas, in absorption solvent is liquid, and every time where equilibrium is going to reach, equilibrium you are going to get at the exit of solvent. Like here solvent exited from first side, so y1 x1 will be in equilibrium for minimum requirement if you want to calculate minimum requirement of liquid. Similarly, if you are seeing for that stripping case, then y1 should be your inlet solvent. So y2 will be making equilibrium with x2 if you are providing such infinite height. Okay, that is L by G minimum or L by G maximum for stripping. L by G minimum, L by G maximum. So L by G maximum, why? Because in L by G maximum, L by G and whole maximum is L by small L by G minimum, and L by G whole minimum is L minimum by G. Every time you will use solute free amount of your gas. So this is GS, this is GS. GS is not going to change. Similarly here this is LS, this is LS. तो ऐसे निकाल लेना, like 1000 total G, 80% solvent, 20% solute. So 800 is the value of GS. In this manner you have to calculate these all. Now y1 y2 is crystal clear. If you don't know about y1 y2, anything is missing, no need to worry, no need to worry here. Just use simple material balance, like gas given to solute y1 minus y2, and solvent taken solute from gas is this is more na, so x1 minus x2. By using this simple balance, maybe in your examination one data will be missing out of y1 y2 x1 x2, just obtain it. If they are telling you that you are using pure solvent beta, then for pure solvent x2 will be 0. Now just put y1 y2 here beta. And what is y minus y star ln? This is nothing beta. On bottom side and on top side you have to calculate the value of y minus y star. Y star will be given along with your question, like y star is equal to mx. Suppose it is a 2x, it is mx, any value they will provide the value of m, like 2, like 3, like 1.5, like 1, any value will be there for m. So for example you can take like y star is equal, suppose 2x is given like this. So you have to calculate what y minus y star is on denominator side, and or you can say on bottom side. On bottom side you have to calculate y1 minus y1 star here, and on top you have to calculate, my dear students, uh, y2 minus y2 star, y2 minus y2 star. I am telling these things in simplest manner in minimum time beta. Y2 minus y2 star. Okay, what is y2 star, sir? Don't worry, y1 you know, y2 you know. What is y1 star beta? Y1 star is, where y1 star is nothing but mx1, x1 is available here, just multiplied with them, use that equilibrium relationship. This is what? This is equilibrium relationship. It is given with your question. But just focus, they are providing in capital or small x. If small, then convert, don't forget to convert in capital form. Okay. And similarly, what is y2 star beta? Y2 star is very easy. This is m into x2. Now just solve these two. After solving these two, just take their ln. Ln means what beta? Ln means what? Suppose this top side difference is d1, this bottom side difference is d1, top side d2. हमने 2 लगाया ना, तो इसे 2 मान लेते हैं, d2. Then what is this? This is nothing but a d2 difference of on top, on bottom, just like LMTDR, huh? Upon ln of d2 by d1. That's it. Just put here. बल्ले बल्ले. बोलो बेटा, is it crystal clear? Is it crystal clear, my dear students? Is it crystal clear बेटा? Shall we move forward to next doubt? क्या अगले डाउट की तरफ बढ़ा जाए यार? बोलो. Enjoyed? Everyone crystal clear? Crystal clear sir ईशान झा. क्या बात नागेंद्र सिद्धार्थ जी. मजा आया? Enjoyed? Everyone enjoyed? Everyone enjoyed? और क्या पूछ रही बेटा? और क्या पूछ रही? And one more thing, see this beautiful numerical beta, based upon that one na, so just focus here. इसे भी देख लो फटाफट. 2017 2 mark in a counter current stripping operation using pure stream, the mole, देखो, as I told you beta, if absorption case, if absorption, then the value at the exit of solvent, it will be equilibrium for minimum requirement of solvent. So L by G, LS by GS, which should be minimum solvent. Solvent is what? Solvent is this. Similarly, if you are seeing on stripping, in stripping beta, LS by GS, what is our solvent? Now gas is our solvent. Na? You want to extract solute from liquid with the help of some gaseous solvent. So here you want to calculate GS minimum. So if you are writing like LS by GS, so here LS by GS is minimum value because numerator is decreasing. And here denominator is decreasing na. So if you are decreasing denominator beta, then definitely the value is going to increase na. Value will be increases na. Value will be increases. So that's why LS by GS max here. Why I'm saying it beta? See, on my previous slide, with the help of this beta, you will be able to find LS by GS value. And LS by GS is nothing but y1 minus y2 beta, y1 minus y2 bटा, ये क्या था रे भाई, x1 माइनस x2 था क्या, देख लो यार. x नहीं x1 माइनस x2 कैसे कर दोगे यार, सॉल्वेंट तो कम लेके जाएगा ना. ये देखो लग रहा है उल्टा लिखा, नो प्रॉब्लम, वो तो वैल्यू से क्लियर हो जाएगा. विद द हेल्प ऑफ वैल्यू, एंट्री पॉइंट लेस आफ्टर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग, x1 इज मोर, सो x1 इज मोर, दैट मींस x1 माइनस x2. ओके, फिर से गलत, नहीं सही तो है, x1 इज नो या x1 इज मोर एंड इन दिस या ओके, सही तो है यार. Is it correct? X2 is pure. Similarly, y1, y2, gas having solute, after giving, y2 will be less than. Okay. So y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. Okay, x1 minus x2. So, beta, this is what? This is the equation of operating line actually. This is operating line equation. This is operating line equation. Okay, this is operating line equation. And this is slope of operating line. This is slope of operating line. Lots of numerical you will be able to solve with the help of this slope. Slope will be increases. See here, slope will be increases in stripping section, in stripping operation, and slope will be decreases here in absorption. If you are increasing the amount of solvent or decreasing the amount of solvent, you will be able to find what will happen with slope. Okay. So how to solve this numerical? In numerical clearly mentioned in liquid stream, because it's stripping now. So you want to extract from liquid. You want to extract from liquid. क्योंकि ये लिक्विड साइड है बेटा, तो आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको लिक्विड में से रिमूव करना ना. यू हैव टू रिमूव फ्रॉम लिक्विड. सो 25 to 5, so this is 25 and this is 5. Definitely, my dear students, these two values are what? 25 and 0.05. 25 to 5. In my previous notation, if I am writing the same thing for stripper, then definitely for stripper x2 is more than x1. अरे भाई, x1 is more than x2 if absorption is present. If stripping operation is going on, then x2 is more ना यार, क्योंकि अभी तो लिक्विड दिए हो, अब इसमें से निकालना है ना गैस को डाल करके, तो x2 is having more solute ना, x2 having more solute. Okay, so x2 having more solute, that means here this is my actually x2, this is my x2, this point is my x2, and this point is my x1. Okay, now as I told you, solvent exit side should be in equilibrium for minimum amount of solvent requirement. So here my solvent is just gas now, because I am using a stripper, I am solving question for a stripper. So this is exit side, this is exit side. So with x2, which should be in equilibrium, y2. Okay, this is equilibrium line, this is equilibrium line, that means y2, this is going to join this point. Why this point? Because on equilibrium, if equilibrium is here, then it will be here, so this point. Okay, so now that means this is what this is now, this is now you can say the maximum value of y corresponding to that x. So this is your actually y2 star. Now just join these two lines, just join these two lines beta. So what is this? This is equilibrium and this is operating line, this is operating line. You can also solve this numerical with the help of simple material balance, but this technique is little bit faster than that one. Now what should be the slope beta? Slope is ls by gs minimum. See, slope, I am increasing, slope increases actually like this, but if you're increasing, it will go like this in upside, so till it touches this equilibrium point, equilibrium line. Now the slope is ls by gs, and clearly you can see here it was y1 minus y2, but x1 minus x2. Just to multiply negative sign in numerator denominator, nothing will going to change with magnitude or sign. It will be y2 minus y1, but x2 minus x1. Don't worry. So here clearly you can see y2 minus y1, but x2 minus x1. So it is nothing but y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 point is actually here y2 star, it is y2 star, and y1 is lies here, this na, so this is x1 y1, this is x1 y1, and the coordinate of this point is 0.05 comma 0, and of this point is 0.25 in this given case, 0.25. That means the equilibrium relationship is y is equal to x, y is equal to x. Now they provide the value of liquid flow rate, solid free base is 3, so ls is given as 3, so 3 by gs minimum fluid of pure steam. So that is gs minimum, you have to calculate y2 star is 0.25 minus what is y1, y1 is 0, what is x2, 0.25, what is x1, 0.05. Now just solve it beta, just solve it. So gs minimum should be uh, reciprocated, so it is 20 by 25, सही है ना जी, 20 by 25 reciprocated, कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया कि सही है, देखो बेटा सही है ना, इज इट ओके, इज इट ओके इन कैलकुलेशन? रुक जाओ, कलर चेंज कर देते हैं रे भाई. हाँ, नाउ सी हियर. So this is given 3, the liquid fluid is 3. Okay, so 3 by gs minimum, and that becomes equals to, you can write like 25 by 20, just multiplying. Is it correct or wrong? बोलो भाई, इसमें कुछ मिसिंग लग रहा है, क्या है बताओ? Tell me everyone beta, is it correct or something missing? Is it correct or something missing? Tell me everyone beta. I'm waiting for your comments. Tell me everyone beta. Is it okay? Is it okay? क्या सही है ये या कुछ छूट गया? कुछ मिस्टेक या यहाँ पे ये 15 है, हम लोग 25 लिख दिए। ये 25 नहीं है रे भाई, ये देखो ये 15 है। ओके, इसलिए मिस्टेक। ये y इक्वल टू एक्स नहीं है रे भाई, ये y इक्वल टू एक्स नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट y इज इक्वल टू एक्स। okay, so this is 25, this is 0.15, so here it should be now 0.25 0.15 minus 0 and 0.25 minus, okay, now it will be 15. Okay, it will be 15. Now cross multiply it, then gs minimum is 20 into 3 by 15. It will come 60 by 15, that means 4. Yeah, 4 mole per second. So our answer should be 4. बोलो बेटा, सभी को क्लियर है? आसान था ना? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया ये बताओ? Everyone crystal clear? You know beta, you can also solve this with the help of simple balance. You see, this is nothing, this is balance. ls x2 minus x1 just minimum y2 minus y1. But in this numerical they are not providing the relationship between y and x. That's why they are providing equilibrium diagram directly. Okay, okay, fantastic, mind blowing, super. और बेटा any doubt? कुछ और डाउट है तो बताओ फटाफट फटाफट, प्लीज टेल मी एवरीवन बेटा, एनी मोर डाउट? कुछ और डाउट है तो फटाफट बोलिए बेटा, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर कमेंट्स। सर वो फ्लोइंग फिल्म में, फ्लोइंग फिल्म, आई थिंक यू आर आस्किंग फॉलिंग फिल्म, फॉलिंग फिल्म बेटा, दैट बैलेंस विल टेक लिटिल बिट एक्स्ट्रा टाइम। आई कैन टेल यू ओरली, just focus on mass transfer coefficient there, what is a meter per second. Actually it will take little bit more time beta Nagendra, क्योंकि उसके लिए डायग्राम, आई हैव टू मेक डायग्राम, आई हैव टू टेक वन डिफरेंशियल पार्ट, सो इन फास्ट ट्रैक रिवीजन, और दिस इज नॉट जस्ट डाउट फास्ट ट्रैक डाउट सेशन, सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बेटा नागेंद्र। ओके, सो कम समय में उसको नहीं कर पाएंगे। we need mass balance. For mass balance we need differential element cut, then in, then out. Okay, yeah, because उसको बिना डायग्राम बनाए कर नहीं सकते। नेक्स्ट, एनी मोर डाउट बेटा? ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ आस्क्ड बेटा, व्हाट इज योर रियल नेम? ऑर्डिनरी लाइफ है, बताना बता दो, अदरवाइज कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे ही ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद। साइकोमेट्रिक चार्ट रिलेशन बिटवीन ह्यूमिड वॉल्यूम एंड ह्यूमिडिटी। ह्यूमिड वॉल्यूम और ह्यूमिडिटी के बीच में, ह्यूमिड वॉल्यूम, साइकोमेट्रिक चार्ट देखना चाहते हो या ह्यूमिड वॉल्यूम निकालना चाहते हो बेटा? यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू रीड साइकोमेट्रिक चार्ट? विच मास ट्रांसफर कोफिशिएंट डोमिनेट व्हेन? ईशान झा, चलो ये तो छोटा सा क्वेश्चन देख लो भाई। ईशान झा, ईशान झा, जस्ट सी हियर, ईशान झा asked which MTC dominate when? Which MTC dominate when? Don't worry, just focus here beta. 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Two cases are there beta, actually three cases are there, actually three cases are possible. The case number one is sparingly soluble gas. That means my dear students, less soluble, and case number two my dear students, that is more soluble gas in given liquid, and case number three, not more not less not more not less, ज्यादा भी नहीं है रे भाई और कम भी नहीं है रे भाई। that means the mass transfer resistance is present in, actually the resistance in liquid film, the resistance is liquid film is now same as resistance in gas film. Sir, Mass transfer coefficient is also same. No, resistance is same, beta. Mass transfer coefficient is not same even in this case. Okay, so inside film, how much resistance is present? Okay. So if something is more soluble, what does it mean, beta? अगर कोई चीज बहुत ज्यादा soluble है, इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? If this is your liquid, and if this gas is very easily soluble here, that means on liquid side, the resistance in liquid side is nearly zero. So in this case, in order to increase mass transfer rate, you have to reduce thickness of this gas film, or you can say you have to decrease the resistance of this gas film, or you can say you have to increase mass transfer coefficient of this gas film. So the rate controlling is gas film. Here, if liquid is solid is strongly soluble, that means the main resistance is present here inside liquid. They are hardly enter. They're trying to enter, but not easily enter. So this side resistance is present, but very less compared to this liquid side resistance. So this side rate controlling is this liquid film. This liquid film. That means more soluble, no resistance, yeah, nearly zero in comparison to gas film. इफ स्पारेंजली देन इट विल बी आसानी से घुस नहीं पा रहा, कम है सॉल्युबल ना, आसानी से घुस नहीं पा रहा, तो अंदर दिक्कत है ना लिक्विड की, मतलब रेजिस्टेंस इज मोस्टली रेजिस्टेंस प्रेजेंट इन लिक्विड साइड. यू कैन राइट फ्यू इक्वेशंस लाइक, इक्वेशन भी देख लो यार, जस्ट फोकस हियर बेटा. सपोज यू कैन राइट 1/ky, और यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट 1/kx. This is mass transfer coefficient, overall mass transfer coefficient. So here small ky, individual mass transfer coefficient on gas phase, individual mass transfer coefficient on liquid phase, plus if gas is there, then that slope m is here, equilibrium line slope is here, m is here, and here on denominator you have to write simply x, gas. Okay, and in liquid case the formula is mkl. This is overall resistance, this is liquid film resistance, this is gas film resistance, this is overall resistance, this is liquid film resistance, this is gas film resistance. Okay, so resistance of liquid is gas film. That means if these two are same, that means in that case both are rate controlling, or these two are same. Either you are using the first one or second one formula, डोंट वरी, द वैल्यू इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. वैल्यू आपकी मेन वाली जो है वो चेंज नहीं होगी. ओके, टोटल जो दोनों में कंपैरिजन, द कंपैरिजन एट हाउ मच, इफ दिस इज ओवरऑल 100% रेजिस्टेंस, देन इफ हियर 25%, हियर दिस इज 75%, देन इन दिस केस आल्सो इट विल बी 25%, और दिस इज 75%. You can also see with the help of their numerical values. Okay, if they are saying the gas film resistance is negligible, that means this should be nearly zero. Then ky and ky is they are nearly, if gas side liquid side any type they are telling you that this is negligible mass transfer coefficient negligible, or this is mass transfer very high, in this type of cases just use this formulas. That term neglect, they are telling in resistance side, so neglect that resistance. If they are saying like mass transfer coefficient side, so the max will provide you minimum resistance, so that minimum will be neglected there. Okay, so by using these techniques beta you will be able to solve lots of PYQs questions. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पूछे भी गए. ओके, सो क्या ये क्लियर है बेटा? इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर? श्री वेंकटेश ऑल्सो आस्क्ड. ईशान झा बेटा, योर डाउट इज क्लियर? कैन आई सॉल्व नेक्स्ट डाउट बेटा? ईशान आपको क्लियर है बेटा? देखो बहुत कम समय में बताने की कोशिश की है लेकिन बेहतरीन अंदाज में, तो आई होप क्रिस्टल क्लियर. क्रिस्टल क्लियर सर, क्या बात है. नेक्स्ट इज श्री वेंकटेश. श्री वेंकटेश, श्री वेंकटेश का डाउट तो यार बहुत अच्छा है, छोटा सा है, क्या बात है भाई. वेंकटेश, आई होप आई विल ऑल्सो राइट योर नेम after coming result that hello Venkatesh, so you are topper, can you tell me your feeling? So beta Venkatesh asks, HTU is a measure of, HTU is a measure of, okay, measure of, and NTU is a measure of. Okay, so you are telling easiness or difficulty sir, easiness or difficulty sir. Don't worry beta, don't worry, just see these two lines, just remember these two lines. Which two lines sir? These two lines. The line number one is HTU. What is this? This is separation effectiveness. Separation effectiveness. What is this, sir? मतलब आपका बेटा कौन सा पैकिंग यूज कर रहे हो, which packing you are going to use. Suppose two types of packings are there. Okay, one packing very good contact, second packing not good contact between gas phase and liquid phase. So that bad phase, that means that is a little bit less effective. Effectiveness is low. That means for the same separation you need little bit more height. That is HTU beta. That is HTU. And difficulty in separation, you need lots of stages. That is NTU. So see, HTU is separation effectiveness. Separation effectiveness. And as I told you, for particular packing now, so of the particular packing, of the particular packing. Okay, my dear student. And if I am writing about NTU beta, then this is measure of the difficulty. Measure of the difficulty of the separation. Difficulty. Why I'm saying easiness, not easiness? Because if NTU increases, that means your operation, your separation is difficult. So you are measuring NTU, more NTU. That means more difficult case now, more difficult separation. So that is difficult. So measure of the difficulty of the separation. Is it crystal clear, beta? क्या ये क्लियर है बेटा? श्री वेंकटेश, इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? Rajan Rohani, in number of states formula of Cramson equation to find absorption factor, if equilibrium relation given in mole fraction term, then can we use and directly? Yeah, beta, you can use. In that case they will provide you dilute case. Otherwise, don't take risk, just convert it, beta. It will take hardly less time. If very too much dilute is there, even it is not a 5% 4% case, you can't say like dilute in get examination, बिकॉज आंसर विल डिफर अ लॉट. हमने PYQ सॉल्व किए हैं एंड आंसर विल डिफर बाई 10 फोल्ड्स यार. एक क्वेश्चन था 5% 1% वाला. हाँ, इफ आई एम एज्यूमिंग दैट small y the value will be changed, totally changed, huge amount change, because the flow rate inlet, like if something like written 10,000, then that case GS is not 10,000, G is 10,000, GS is 9500. So don't take risk in last 11 days. अभी रिस्क मत लो. सिंपल एक एक टेक्निक बना लो बस. पता नहीं उसमें क्या ऊपर नीचे करके दे दे. दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग समथिंग लाइक कैपिटल, समथिंग लाइक स्मॉल. Don't take risk. Every time, just remember one thing: solute free basis, because calculation will take very less time, beta. So अभी last 11 days में no experiment. ओके अपने जूनियर्स को भेजना, डिटेल में उनको मास ट्रांसफर पढ़ाएंगे, उनके साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. अभी आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करना, जस्ट कम बिफोर इंटरव्यू, देन आई विल डू एक्सपेरिमेंट विथ यू. ओके, दिस टाइम जस्ट लर्न वन थिंग एवरी टाइम, यूज कैपिटल वन. ओके, क्लियर बेटा रोहन? ना राजन रोहानी, इज इट क्रिस्टल क्लियर बेटा? Sir, should we do more PYQs or revise in these 10 days? Beta, Manohar, PYQs are very important for this year. I already declared. सब कुछ कहेंगे सर PYQ तो हमेशा important होते हैं, but this year little bit more important. So beta, please focus more on PYQs, because just if you're revising your notes, every time notes, formula, if you're forgetting, forget. If you're solving numericals, then you are not forgetting that formula. If you're applying, if forgetting this, then just take a note, take a one A4 sheet and write there that formula only from that PYQ that you forget during solving that numerical. So PYQs are important, and full length test is also important. But before 3 days of examination, stop writing any test series. आखिरी के 3 दिनों में अवॉइड करना कि कोई भी टेस्ट दो. आखिरी के 3 दिनों में जस्ट फोकस ऑन PYQ. Just focus again, solve PYQs, the question in which you feel difficulty in PYQs, and just revise your notes beta. Last 3 days, don't use any test series. That is the end of test series. You can say like 16 examinations, so 15 14, or you can say latest by 13 evening. After 13 evening, please don't attempt any test. Okay, after 13, if you want to attempt test, then just practice PYQs and give PYQs test on 14 and 15. PYQ test, mock test, PYQ test, no new question test. अदरवाइज में भी अगर कोई टेस्ट सीरीज आपने ली उसने उल्टे पुल्टे क्वेश्चन डाले होंगे, यू विल फील डिमोटिवेट और लगेगा आपका गड़बड़ हो गया. ओके, बट दैट इज नॉट द केस. ओके, बिकॉज टेस्ट सीरीज वाले बहुत सारे इधर उधर की अगर आपने ले रखी होगी तो कुछ भी क्वेश्चन जानबूझ के दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग सच कॉपी पेस्ट टाइप टेक्निक, and in this manner you will feel that is also in our syllabus, but that is not in syllabus. Sometimes they can provide some diagram, notation is different, numerical is different, so you can be uh, lost lots of time in that error questions. Okay, so वो लास्ट में आप नहीं कर सकते. Okay, my dear student, so the answer of Manohar is, sir, we do more pyqs or revise. So my dear student, pyq, little revision required of your formulas every day. Just focus on that formula. Write extract formula, sheet to sheet extract. Like in this sheet, suppose you are writing 100 formulas, then extract second sheet. Only write those formulas that you are forgetting. See, on only after first refining stage it will be less than 20. Again refine it, less than 10. Now just less than 20 and less than 10 part revise for every subject. Don't see complete list and just focus on numericals. PYQ, all numericals beta. Very, very important. Okay. नागिंदर सिद्धार्थ सर, कल आप आओगे ऑनलाइन? आओगे तो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट का डाउट करोगे लोगे? बेटा नागेंद्र, इट विल बी क्लियर्ड बाय आवर मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, जैसा मैनेजमेंट डिसाइड करेगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग वी विल सी. ओके, आप भी अपने डाउट्स को सेंड करें एज पर योर एनर्जी ऑल्सो. आई विल बी अवेलेबल. ओके, क्लियर बेटा नागेंद्र? सो आई विल ट्राई, जैसा कि हमने कहा था वन डे बिफोर यस्टरडे दैट आई विल कम अगेन. देखो आगे आज आपके पास. ओके, एनी मोर डाउट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? Any more doubt? How to find a special constraint in degree of freedom? बेटा special constraint just like you can say, इतने जल्दी उसको आप फास्ट में देखना चाहते हो तो just focus on if something equilibrium relations, equilibrium is given there. So in this type of cases, okay, remaining you can find 10 point some numerical is given in Smith. Degree of freedom, one beautiful numerical, 4 or 5 parts are there. Just solve that numerical. Okay, आप समझ जाओगे डिटेल्ड मैनर में. एक ही क्वेश्चन, दे आर सॉल्विंग वन क्वेश्चन इन लॉट्स ऑफ स्टेप्स, अलग अलग. ये किया तो ये होगा, ये लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. सो जस्ट सॉल्व दैट. आई फॉरगेट एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ दैट numerical, बट जेएम स्मिथ वन numerical ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम, उसे आप देख लो. ठीक है बेटा, इट विल बी इन केमिकल इक्विलिब्रिया चैप्टर. केमिकल इक्विलिब्रिया चैप्टर. ओके, एस जट इज सर, आईपीसी का CTRL का डाउट था. CLTF ये क्या है बेटा? क्लोज लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन, आई थिंक CLTF. पूछ ले बेटा, पूछ ले, क्या है, जल्दी पूछ ले. टेल मी व्हेन यू स्टूडेंट. जटेजा जी पूछ लीजिए. एनी मोर डाउट बेटा? सर आप ऑफलाइन क्लास में पढ़ाते हो क्या? या बेटा, आई एम अवेलेबल फॉर ऑफलाइन क्लासेज ओनली इन दिल्ली दिस टाइम. इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया दिल्ली. लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो आई वॉज देयर. उसके पिछले साल देखोगे ऑल्सो आई वॉज देयर. ओके, उसके पिछले साल देखोगे तब भी आई वॉज देयर. उसके 10 साल 11 साल पहले देखोगे आई वॉज देयर. सो ऑफलाइन क्लासेस के लिए मोस्टली आई एम इन दिल्ली this time, only in Delhi this time. If you want to interact offline, totally only and only in Delhi, one place. So don't forget to recommend your juniors for offline classes as well as online classes. Super offline batch is now going to start from 10th of February. 10 फरवरी से start हो रहा है with a beautiful team, me and with my lots of team members. Super, all are super. Lots of members you already know. Okay, like EII, like Pradeep sir, etc. are also there. So lots of faculties are there, and we are waiting for you. Not for you, आप इसी बार निकाल लो यार. For your juniors. Okay. So don't forget to recommend them. If you want to become best, come here. You will feel that you are learning from best. Sri Venkatesh, sir, if an existing absorption column, you are welcome, beta Naginder. Thank you, sir. Sri Venkatesh, see beta. Sir, if an existing absorption column is replaced with new packing and HTU remains same, NTU lower than before, new packing compared to beta. Actually, if you are changing packing, then it will change HTU. Okay, it will change HTU. If HTU remains same, then NTU also remains same na. Hmm? So your question is little bit थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर दिए. क्वेश्चन में ये पूछने का था, if packing change, then what will happen with height if HTU change? If HTU increases, then height will increase. Okay, this is one PYQ I remembered. In that PYQ, they varied HTU, not NTU. Okay. बेटा आप जो क्वेश्चन कह रहे हो, अगर नहीं समझ पाए श्री वेंकटेश, इफ अनएबल टू absorb what I want to say, then please tell me year name, in which year you are seeing that question and confused. I will directly show that question here and solve in front of you. Okay, because data or lines, if you are reading HTU and TU, then it is very sensitive line, like which thing increases, then which thing, like total height is same or not same. So just tell me year name. Just tell me year name, beta. So in cyclone separator to find separation factor, we use tangential velocity. Then for centrifuge, which velocity need to angular velocity or linear? But in centrifuge, actually you are mostly calculate delta p, that is rho omega square by r. So it is omega beta, and inside bracket I square minus r square. It is omega for delta p calculation in case of centrifuge. This question is you are asking from mass trans. No, mechanical operation. देखो कितना आसान होता है फॉर्मूला, कुछ भी पूछते हो हमें तो याद है, आपको भी ऐसे याद रखना बेटा. यू नीड टू रिमेंबर जस्ट लाइक दिस. गेट 2013 क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 श्री वेंकटेश. ओके बेटा, वेट, आई हैव टू सी. अभी कॉपी पेस्ट करके क्वेश्चन को उठा के लाते हैं रे भाई. गेट 2013 क्वेश्चन नंबर मे बी डिफरेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर मेरे में तो 45 डिफरेंट है रे भाई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, वेट, गेट 2013 केमिकल पीडीएफ. आप नेट से अगर देख रहे हो तो लो नेट वाला उठा लेते हैं पेपर. गेट 2013 पेपर आईआईटी रुड़की, ये रहा केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग. या क्वेश्चन नंबर इसके अंदर ऑफिशियल वाले में 45. वेयर आर यू 45 नंबर क्वेश्चन? बेटा 45 इज कंट्रोल वाल्व क्वेश्चन यार. एज इट इज आईपीसी पूछोगे. क्वेश्चन 58. चलो भाई, थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा आईपीसी के लिए, इसके बाद बताएंगे बेटा. आई विल टेल यू आफ्टर दिस डाउट. Difference between Chiltern and Logie. Beta, Renault and Logie and Chiltern. In Renault and Logie, you are assuming that Prandtl number is equal to 1 or Smith number is equal to 1. But in Chiltern and Logie, it is not equal to 1. Okay? So Renault and Logie only valid if Prandtl number is equal to 1. And also you can find if you are putting in Chiltern and Logie, PR is Prandtl number is equal to 1, it will be reduced to Renault and Logie. वो Renault and Logie में convert हो जाएगा बेटा. Crystal clear बेटा मनोहर? The difference between Renault Chiltern and Renault and Logie. सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 2013 पे बता. 19 नंबर है, रुक जाओ बेटा, 19 निकाल लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 या 19. ओके वेट, कट पेस्ट करते हैं भैया. ये आ गया क्वेश्चन साहेब. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 आ गया. जस्ट वेट बेटा. वेट बेटा, स्लाइड 1 मिनट के लिए गायब होगी. 1 मिनट नहीं, जस्ट फ्यू सेकंड के लिए गायब हो जाएगी. नो, पेस्ट, कॉपी पेस्ट दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा ना. गेट 2000, कौन सा कह रहा है बेटा? 13 था ना जी, हाँ 13। ओके ओके बेटा, या बेटा एनफ सीटी के लिए दिस टाइम जस्ट CPYQ दिस टाइम. ओके, नाउ सी बेटा, in this question the packing of an existing absorption tower is replaced with a new type of packing. The height of the packing and the inlet conditions are maintained the same. Beta, this height is Z. This height is Z. Z is what? Z is STUL into NTUL. Or you can also write it equals to HTUOL into NTUOL. So they are giving this Z. Beta. Okay, so Z is same. The height of the packing and the inlet conditions same, maintained the same as before. Tests reveal that the number of transfer unit is lower than before. This time number of transfer unit is lower than before. Number of NTU. Number of transfer unit NTU. NTU new. NTU old. So number of transfer unit, that the number of transfer unit is lower than before. Lower than before. So that means old was more. This indicates that the tower with the new packing when compared to old packing, this indicates that the tower with the new packing when compared to that with the old packing. Okay, old packing के compare में क्या होगा ऐसा? Have a higher rate of absorption of the solute from the gas stream, have a lower rate of absorption, have the same rate. See my dear students, if their multiplication are same, Z, they are telling that Z is not going to change. That means definitely for STU old and STU new, definitely STU new will be more. And if STU new is more, as I already told you, the separation effectiveness is totally depend upon STU. So STU more, that means now they have lower rate of absorption. New packing have lower rate of absorption of the solute from the gas stream. That means B is the right answer. ज्यादा सोचने का ही नहीं रे भाई. समझ गए बेटा? Is it crystal clear? Is it crystal clear? Any more doubt? चलो बेटा, अब विदा लेने का समय आ गया है. इंजीनियर श्यान मुखर्जी आल्सो कम्स. बहुत लेट आए बेटा. गेट 2003 क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर बोलते हो, मेरी फ्लाइट में थोड़ा चेंज हो सकता है रे भाई. गेट 2000 ऐसे कैसे खोजेंगे भाई? 63 कौन सा है? इट्स क्वेश्चन पेपर इज नॉट अवेलेबल. रुक जाओ भाई, निकाल लें क्वेश्चन पेपर. बेटा स्टार्टिंग क्वेश्चन पेपर का क्या है, जरा क्वेश्चन का ये बता दे बेटा प्लीज. इंजीनियर श्रेयान मुखर्जी, टेल मी बेटा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, स्टार्टिंग में व्हाट रिटन इन योर क्वेश्चन, 1 or 2 line, द क्वेश्चन दैट यू आर आस्किंग. टेल मी बेटा. Effectiveness of packing is more, that means absorption is more. Yes beta, for same height. Manohar, बेटा प्लीज टेल मी स्टार्टिंग कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, स्टार्ट में क्या लिखा है? अरे भाई ये क्या हो गया? S2S वाला पूछ रहे हो क्या? ये वाला शायद यही पूछ रहे होगे. दिस वन बेटा, दिस क्वेश्चन. किसने बोला था ये? श्री वेंकटेश। बेटा दिस क्वेश्चन, वेंकटेश। हाँ सर। ओ, श्यान मुखर्जी का क्वेश्चन था ये। ओके, श्यान मुखर्जी, दिस क्वेश्चन, तो इसमें क्या है? Stress is being absorbed and absorbed unit the height of transfer based on the overall mass transfer coefficient on the gas side 12.4. Equilibrium data given, the mass bulk concentration is given, reduced from this to this. The height of transfer unit corresponding to operating line given by this. Oh, this is very very easy यार, इसमें क्या दिक्कत है? All data are present, just you have to solve it. है क्या इसमें? Nothing special. You have to make diagram. Use just main NTU formula. If you are solving by any method, you are not going to get different answer. Just use that y1 minus y2 upon y minus y star method. Okay. Actually, in this question, they had given height of transfer unit. See, HTU is given, HTU, based upon overall mass transfer coefficient on gas side. That means OG, 0.4. Okay. The height of the tower, they are asking about Z. So for Z, you need the value of NTU OG. And just I told you, beta, this is nothing but y1 minus y2 upon y minus y star ln. You can use this method and it will give you answer directly. लगा दें, बोलो फटाफट लगा दें क्या इसे, कि लगा लोगे? श्यान मुखर्जी सर, एक्चुअली ऑपरेटिंग लाइन से करना था, इसमें प्रोसीड कैसे करें, ये वाला में एब्जॉर्प्शन प्रोसेस हो रहा है। चलो भैया लगा देते हैं। सी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, for that purpose I have to make a beautiful diagram. So see in this diagram, stress absorbed, the height given. Okay, okay, the equilibrium data is y is equal to 1.5 x. Okay, the bulk concentration of H2S has to be reduced from itna to itna on gas side. Okay, so this is my gas side. So this is our y1 and this is given 0.05. Actually this is not my y1, this is small y1, no? This is mole fraction, not mole ratio. Okay, and you have to reduce it up to 0.001. The height of the transfer unit corresponding to operating line equation is given. Beta, see, operating line, that means they will provide you the real relation between y and x. Equilibrium line will give you relation between what? Relation between what? If they are in equilibrium. For solving this question, if you are using that operating line equation, you can use, and you know one beautiful method is there in which NTU you can write becomes equals to simply dy upon y minus y star, integration y to y1. So you can solve by using that technique. यहाँ क्या दिया है? Y is equal to 5x plus 0.001 and y is equal to 1.5x. So just write in place of y star. And one more thing, what is y, what is x? Just see here, bulk concentration is reduced from itna to itna on gas side. Okay, okay, so y2 is 0.07. Okay, 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 fine. So here you have to calculate y star na, you have to calculate y star. Y star is 1.5x na beta. So if y star is 1.5x, then this x is the real x. You are checking what is the value of y with real x. So extract the value of x from here, and put here, it will give you y star value. And if you're calculating in this way, just write like this, y2 say y1 and dy upon y minus y star, y minus y star. So your y star is what? Y star is 1.5x, and instead of this x you have to put x is equal to y minus 0.001 and by 5. Sir, why you are using this? See in this numerical beta, I had done the same thing na. I had done the same thing. Y2 minus y2 star, from where I am writing this y2 star here, with the help of this x na, and this x is the real x. Real x happens where? On operating line. On operating line will give you the real values ना. ओके हाँ सर करेक्ट है. क्लियर हो गया? समझ गए ना? सॉल्व भी कर देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. इससे लगाओगे either you are going to solve by using this or by using this बेटा, you will get 100% same answer. No need to worry, no need to worry. कोई घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, दोनों से आंसर सेम आएगा. So just you have to calculate the value of x1 and x2 here. x1 यहाँ से निकाल लो और x2 निकाल लो. अगर x1 x2, if you need x1 x2, why we need x1 and x2 in order to calculate y2, sorry, this is x2, this is x1. Why we need x2 and x1? Because corresponding to this x2 you will get y2 star, corresponding to this x1 you will get x1 star, sorry not x1, y1 star. For star you are going to use that equilibrium relation, and for x2 and for this x1 you are going to use this operating line, because this is real, they are real. बोलो समझ गए या पूरा सॉल्व करें? यस सर अब क्लियर है. तो इसे सॉल्व कर लोगे ना? अभी करना क्या है, बस यहाँ पे जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज. दिस y2 पुट हियर, it will give you this x2 value, then this put here, it will give you y2 star. Similarly here y1 star, y minus y star ln, solve it, you will get answer. बोलो बेटा क्लियर? हाँ सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ठीक है बेटा. तो आगे नहीं बताना ना, आगे नहीं बताना. इसका आंसर की में क्या दिया है भैया? आंसर, the right answer is 2 meter. NTU will be 5. NTU will be nearby 5. NTU will be nearby 5. After solving it is nearby 5. So Z is 2 into 5. Sorry, 0.4 into 5. It will be nearly 2. 2 is the right answer. So A is correct. Option A is correct. ओके सॉल्व कर लेना बेटा. इसके अलावा नथिंग प्रेजेंट स्पेशल. देखा आपको एक टेक्निक बताई, कितने आसानी से इसे भी लगा लिया आपने. एंड यू नो बेटा, you can also use direct relationship also, that is available for this case. NTU STU, you know na, NTU one more relationship, that is loan, in terms of loan. You can also use that relationship beta here. That will also give you same to same answer here, same to same ditto answer. Crimson like equation is there for NTU because Crimson will give you n, not NTU. So you have to use NTU relation. By using that NTU relation, you will get same to same answer, like ln of y1 minus mx2 upon y2 minus mx2, 1 minus 1 by a plus 1 by a upon 1 minus 1 by a. This relation, it will also give you same to same answer. Okay, by using any of technique you will get same answer beta, nothing is going to differ. Okay beta, सभी का क्लियर हो गया? shall we move forward? क्या आज के लिए गुड नाइट कर ले, because approximately 2 hours is going to complete. So good night कर लिया जाए, and now we will meet again soon. I will try to come with, again I will take doubts in this manner. I hope कि बहुत ही कम समय में I am able to solve in very less time lots of doubts. Okay बेटा, everyone is okay, crystal clear in today's lecture, no doubts ना? कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लो, otherwise I am going to bind up this session. If you want to ask anything then please ask me बेटा, please ask me. राहुल बेटा, इफ आई विल टेक थर्मो तो हम बता देंगे उसका, ठीक है? थर्मो में बिकॉज उसके लिए पूरा सब पूरा टोटल ही बताना पड़ेगा. आइसोटोप होता है तो ये करते हो फॉर गिवन टेम्परेचर, फॉर गिवन प्रेशर. ओके, because 2 minus pi plus n minus r minus s, and the technique of r of independent equation I have to show by solving that, divide, subtract this to this, this to this will give you this, so this is independent. So maybe if I'm going to take again revision or just out session of thermo, then I will tell you that time. Okay, because it is not possible in next 5 minutes and lecture remained of just 6 minutes. Okay, after 6 minutes it will be of 2 hour, and today's is 2 hour lecture actually. And if I can increase the lecture time, and management will allow me, if your number is counting more than 100, तो अपने मित्रों को बुलाओ और फिर रात भर हमको बताओ, रात भर पूछते रहो, रात भर बताएंगे। फुल नाइट यू कैन आस्क मी न्यूमेरिकल्स, यू कैन आस्क मी डाउट्स, फुल नाइट यार, कंप्लीट नाइट आई विल बी हियर, ओके? Because in that case management will give other work like guidance to some other educator. So आपका हम रात में बैठ के डाउट ले लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तो अपनी संख्या को बढ़ाइए प्लीज बेटा। शेयर लिंक्स विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, ओके? शेयर लिंक्स विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, जूनियर सीनियर एवरीवेयर, केमिकल इंजीनियर्स अपने फैमिली ग्रुप में मत डाल देना ओके ओके, बोलो बेटा, शैल वी मूव फॉरवर्ड, चला जाए, गुड नाइट कर लिया जाए? अभी बेटा क्वेश्चन अब कोई नहीं ले पाएंगे बेटा श्यान, बिकॉज जस्ट 4 और 5 मिनट लेफ्ट, उस क्वेश्चन को निकालने में ही लग जाएगा उतना टाइम। कुछ ओरल डाउट है देन यू कैन आस्क मी टुडे, अदरवाइज वेट फॉर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, ओके? इफ एनी ओरल डाउट इज देयर देन प्लीज आस्क मी बेटा, आई एम अवेलेबल नेक्स्ट 5 more minutes, because from 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. I again busy beta, guidance sessions of few students. क्रिस्टल क्लियर सर, ओके, वेरी वेरी हैप्पी, गुड नाइट। हाँ सर, गुड नाइट बेटर होगा, क्या बात है। तो बेटा आप गुड नाइट मत करना, अभी 2 घंटे प्लीज और स्टडी करेंगे, 2 more और स्टडी, रिवीजन, प्रैक्टिस, एंड नाउ ट्राई टू स्लीप बिफोर 12, ओके? 12 a.m., रात के 12 बजे के पहले सो जाओ। This time beta, yeah, PYQs are most important. Try to solve since 1987 at least, not at least, max if you solve, and at least from 2000, at least 2000 to 2024, okay? That will be beneficial beta, that will be beneficial, okay? मोहित श्रीवास्तव, वेलकम बेटा। सो काफ़ी बच्चे चले गए हैं, तो हम लोग भी चलते हैं बेटा, ओके? सो एवरीवन एंजॉयड टुडे सेशन, सभी ने एंजॉय किया? एंड डोंट ओवरलोड बेटा, डोंट फील डिमोटिवेट, ओके? जस्ट स्टडी करते रहिए, एंड in these last days try to attempt mostly previous year papers, okay? और अगर रात में राहुल ज़्यादा जगना भी चाहते हो तो 2-3 दिन मैक्सिमम जग लो यार, अदरवाइज इन गेट टाइम ऑन दैट डेट फुल नाइट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्लीप, ओके? नींद नहीं आएगी यार, तो इसलिए अभी से थोड़ा हैबिचुअल हो लो, बिकॉज योर पेपर टाइम इन फर्स्ट शिफ्ट ना ऑफ केमिकल, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू। या, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। Any more oral doubt? Still 2 minutes left, beta. Any more oral doubt? Then please ask me. Any more oral doubt, beta? Please ask me. सर इस टाइम PYQ ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों हैं? बिकॉज बेटा PYQs, if you are solving for more than 30 or 35 year, then for same examination, not only for gate examination beta, even if you are preparing for IS examination, PYQs are every time important. For IS also PYQs are important, apart from general awareness like yeah, current affairs. Other questions will tell you how they are asking questions, and topics are same to same, so just they are changing pattern. So last time में, that's why PYQs are important. लास्ट टाइम में PYQs ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं जितनी नई चीज़ें, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम यू कांट रीड न्यू थिंग्स इन दिस लास्ट टाइम, जितना आपने पढ़ा अब हो गया। अब इस समय क्या है, PYQs बेस्ड अपॉन PYQs प्रैक्टिस, जस्ट again, if you are forgetting or not completed any topic, then just focus on that topic this time. Okay, so last 15 days में ज़्यादा important इसलिए यही होता है. Okay, and also test series is most important this time. In next 7 days, try to attempt more and more full length. देखो ये कह रहा है रेहान. Okay sir, thanks for your guidance. You are welcome बेटा राहुल. चलो भाई, तो किसी को और कोई डाउट नहीं है. So now I am going to wind up this session beta. Soon I will again try to come as soon as possible. Just fill that website form with your doubts. If any doubt, if I got lots of doubts, then again based upon doubts, I will select subject and I will come live again. Okay. And with your juniors beta, don't forget to tell them that new batch is going to start, online batch from 10th of February. Full live classes, no recordings are there, complete live classes there. Me and lots of my team members, all super faculties are there. So लगातार मिलेंगे, सभी आपस में मिलेंगे और you we will take your doubts and in superb manner we will complete your syllabus. Okay, with full of guidance. So if you want to join your no your juniors want to join, आप तो बेटा इस बार ही निकाल के हटा दो, खत्म कर लो. Then don't forget to recommend them. Okay, just tell them name, my name. They can directly contact me or they can directly contact institute and tell my name. Okay, चलो. ओके बेटा, सभी को क्लियर? ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर, यू आर वेलकम बेटा. ओके बेटा, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बाइंड अप दिस सेशन. लव यू ऑल बेटा, टेक केयर, ऑल द बेस्ट वंस अगेन. टेक केयर बेटा.